Alright, so I have been using this kind of commercial grade mat from Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever. I think it was like 40 bucks. I just trimmed it to size. I think it's like a 4x6 foot originally. Whew! Works great. A lot of my stuff wouldn't be moving around too much. It is pretty thick though. And I mean, you know, I think it's like 17.5 inches up to the depth of the truck bed, so it was eating into that. I don't know, we'll see if the new one saves me anything there. Sometimes it is just that game of millimeters to make sure that the cover still closes, which yes, mine still does, shockingly. All right, let's check out the new one. All right, let's see. This is a really awesome unboxing video with one hand. Or not. It reminds me of like those Max Spider floor mats you get like on a Tesla. Which I've actually never owned, but I do have a Tesla, so you know that I'm looking at them. This is hilarious. One hand. I'm gonna put my phone down. All right, let's see. Like, that won't unfold very well. Well, as you can see, it's got a little bit of extra size, a little bit big, but we'll see how it goes once it kind of rests and get some heat into it. See if the temperature changes anything. Doubtful. It will just expand if anything, but I think it's going to be a better solution. I don't know. I guess we'll wait and see. I do like how, so this last one, you can see how bulky this was. In my fridge, it has wheels on it, but it would constantly catch on this and like all the little, you know, basically like tire tread in the other one. So it would bound up and like fold whenever I tried to roll this the fridge back in once it was, you know, full of weight. Honestly, I can't tell if this is going to be the same or different, but I'll definitely report back after a trip or two. All right, so I've used this bed mat for a while now. It actually does lay out, you know, earlier seconds ago, I guess in the video, you saw it was super wonky and wobbly. They tell you to lay it out in the sun. I have since done that. So it's got a pretty good fit. This lip, as I can see, there's benefits for some situations. All right, switching over to voiceover because the wind picked up. But here I'm describing the lip on the bed mat. It's pretty, I mean, it's good and bad, I guess. It's, you know, you can't be perfect for all situations. It does help prevent things from rolling out the back, but because how long the Rivian's tailgate is, again, I'm 6 foot, you have to bend over quite far in order to grab anything. I usually have a pretty heavy fridge in the back of this, and to kind of get that up and over this ledge might be somewhat of a pain. Otherwise, you can see it's a pretty high quality mat. It meets edge to edge, so less dust, I guess, will get underneath it. But so far, I'm pretty happy with it. And of course, if you're interested, I left links to the product in the description below. Thanks.